Hey there, I'm Chris Ponick, Certified Public Accountant, Certified Coach, and the host of the Mastering Your Small Business Finances podcast. And I want to welcome you to this new series that I'm doing on this podcast. My intention is to drop one of these additional episodes every Monday while I continue to provide you with the regular Mastering Your Small Business Finances podcast episodes, which will continue to help you take control of and understand your business finances with topics that ultimately impact your bottom line. I have many business owners, accountants, and other high-stress professionals who listen to this podcast, and I want to get more help out there for individuals like you when it comes to mastering your mindset. I'll be taking a few moments each week to touch on topics that many high-stress professionals are dealing with and provide solutions to help you increase your overall well-being. Because I know your time is valuable, just like the Mastering Your Small Business Finances podcast, my goal is to keep these episodes short and straight to the point, but full of useful information to help you succeed in not only your professional life, but your personal life as well. Do you ever notice how hard it feels to say no to someone? Maybe it's when a colleague asks you to pick up extra work, even though you're already drowning in deadlines. Or maybe it's when a friend invites you to do something that you don't want to do, but you say yes because you don't want to disappoint them. Saying no often feels uncomfortable, almost like you're letting someone down or being selfish. But what if I told you that saying no could actually be easy? That saying no can be one of the most powerful tools that you use to protect your time, your energy, and your mental health. And that saying no can even be done in a way that strengthens, not damages, your relationships. Let's dive in. Do you ever wonder why we struggle so much with saying no to others? I work with a lot of high-stress professionals, accountants, business owners, and executives. And I can't tell you how often things like this come up. I know I should have said no, but I didn't want to let them down. It just feels easier to say yes than to deal with the guilt. Or, I hate that I keep putting other people first and then resenting them later. It's so common. We say yes out of obligation, guilt, or fear of disappointing someone. And then what happens? We end up overwhelmed, overbooked, and frustrated with ourselves. One of my clients is a CPA who's built her career on being reliable. She took pride in herself for being the go-to person at her firm. But reliability turned into overcommitment. Every time a partner asked if she could just take on one more client, she would say yes, even though her workload was already maxed out. By the end of her busy season, she wasn't just tired, she was resentful. And that resentment wasn't just directed at her partners, it was also directed at herself for not saying no when she knew she needed to. But did you know that when we say yes to something that we don't want, we're actually saying no to something else that really matters to us? We're trading our priorities for someone else's, and over time, that creates burnout, resentment, and a loss of integrity with ourselves. If this topic resonates with you, don't wait. The rest of this episode is waiting for you inside my free private podcast, Mastering Your Mindset Moments. It's created specifically for business owners, accountants, and high-stress professionals just like you. People who are done feeling overwhelmed, burnt out, or stuck in survival mode, and are ready to live a happier, healthier, and more fulfilling life. When your schedule is packed and the pressure is high, it's easy to lose sight of why you're working so hard. Inside this private podcast, I share quick, powerful mindset and productivity tools that you can apply right away, even during your busiest seasons, to reduce stress, reclaim your time, and enjoy the life that you've worked so hard to achieve. It's free to join, and you'll get instant access when you go to financialadventure.com/private. Don't put this off. This podcast is your shortcut to meaningful results in just a few minutes a week. Your next step towards feeling more in control, less overwhelmed, and finally enjoying a more balanced lifestyle again is only one episode away. I'll post links to this and other valuable resources for business owners, accountants, and other high-stress professionals where you're listening to this podcast.